Hey, this is Shay, and if you're looking for ways to make money online, you've come to the right place. You've clicked a great video, because in this video, I'm going to show you a campaign making up to $700 a day. And it's a campaign that I actually just recently showed my students, and because I saw that it motivated so many of them to go make their own money-making campaigns, I thought, why not show someone such as yourself to hopefully motivate you as well. If you're looking to make your first dollar online even, or you are making a little bit of money but you're trying to get to that next level, I can help you do it as I do for my students, as I said already. So let me show you this thing. This is one of the networks that I use, and I use about 6 or more networks at this stage, but this is certainly one of my favorites, and that is because I get paid for generating clicks. And you know, I could go into greater detail about how you can make money with clicks, but that's not what this video is about. I can show you how to do that in just a minute, but I'd really just wanted to show you this campaign first, so you can really just see the consistency that one campaign is able to do. Again, this is just one network, and at this stage, just recently, I have 6 or more networks doing similar numbers, some a little bit less, some very similar to these numbers I'm about to show you, but you know, when you add it all up, it's an awesome daily income. And I know that's what you are looking for as well. You clicked on this video, you're looking for ways to make money online. So let me just cruise through this. As you can see right here, we're just on the past 19 days. Today is the 19th of October, and it's just defaulted to this month and up to today. And I'll actually just change this and go back a full month. We'll just go 20 on the September, the 20th of September. Okay, so 30 days now, 30 of 30. And I just want to hover over this one and show you, because this graph right here is this column, all right, which is RPC, and that's revenue per click. So for every click, I'm generating, you know, these numbers per click, all right. But this graph's really cool because, as you can see, $9.76. Another one, $9.63, as you can see. And I'm not going to, as I said, go into too much more detail, but getting paid for clicks is amazing if you know how. All right, so I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom of here just to show you some of the numbers here. So basically 300 in a day, again, 266, many $200 days or so. I've really ramped up this campaign a lot more since it's taken off. So 400, 464, 601, 328, another 300, 658, 463, 389, 353, $420. Alright, so, you know, the numbers are consistent. They're decently consistent, and I'm sure a lot of people would probably be happy with just this one campaign alone. But as I said, I have multiple campaigns going just like this. I even show other networks in my other videos as well. And as you can see, 586, 708 in a day, 217, 514 so far today. We're about halfway through today. And these are the campaigns just like this one that highly motivate my students. And it's exactly why I wanted to put my video here, to show someone such as yourself, to hopefully motivate you as well. Because I know I can help you do the same, as I have for so many of my students as well already. So if you are interested, and if you are serious, I can show you what I'm doing while I have this open. But you have to take action right now today. And all you have to do to get started is click the link in the description. So find the description of this video, and right at the top of the description, you'll see a link. I just put a quick bit.ly link there just so you can get over to my site. And I'm going to go to my site as well, just so I can help you through the next couple of steps. I'll just show you what to do. So here on my site right now, all you have to do as soon as you've, again, click the link in the description if you haven't already, then just enter in your email address. As soon as you've done that, entered in your best email address here, just click the Get Instant Access button. As soon as you do that, I'm going to send you out a welcome email. So go check your email address that you just typed in, go check that inbox, look for my email because I'm going to have some important information to help you get started today. So go do that now. Let's get you making your first dollar online if you haven't already. Let's get you making $50 a day. Let's get you making $100 a day, $200 a day, or even $500 a day. Let's get you making a consistent daily income. I can help you get there as I have already done for all of my students, but only if you are serious and only if you take action right now. So go do it now. Follow those steps, and I'll work with you really soon.